Vedic Mathematics. Today, let's explore enlightening first method for multiplying any two numbers that are close to 100. There are various cases. Case 1. Both numbers are less than 100. Let's take 94 and 96 as example. How do we quickly multiply these two numbers? Let's see this with the help of the following steps. Step 1. Subtract 100 from each number. As 94 and 96, both these numbers are close to the digit 100, 100 is the base number. 94 minus 100 is equal to minus 6 and 96 minus 100 is equal to minus 4. Step 2. Multiply numbers. Minus 6 multiplied by minus 4 is equal to 24. Step 3. Cross addition. 94 plus minus 4 is equal to 90 or 96 plus minus 6 is equal to 90. Therefore, the answer is 9024. Case 2. One number below, one above 100. Let's take 104 and 95 as examples. Step 1. Subtract 100 from each number. Here also, these two numbers are close to the digit 100, so 100 is the base number. 104 minus 100 is equal to 4 and 95 minus 100 is equal to minus 5. Step 2. Multiply numbers. 4 multiplied by minus 5 is equal to minus 20. Step 3. Cross addition. 104 plus minus 5 is equal to 99 or 95 plus 4 is equal to 99. Oh, what do we do about minus 20? Step 4. Adjustment for negative number. As a base number is 100, we convert 99 to 9900. We subtract 20 from 9900. Therefore, the answer is 9880. Follow similar steps to multiply the following. Stay tuned for solution in the next video. Case 3. Both numbers are greater than 100. Let's take 104 and 108 as examples. Provide your steps and answer in comment section below. For more such videos, stay tuned with us. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.